What's up, guys? We're back, and we're going to be working on the jump, because, you know, yesterday we posted a video about the tour of the new mountain bike jumps and us riding them. Well, we decided that, well, the one coming off of that one right there, coming off of that thing right there, that one right there, because you have so much speed once you hit that one and grease that line and come off of that thing, that we needed to make it bigger. So that's what we decided to do today. So we're gonna move the face back, make it bigger and better, you know. Go big or go home. And so yeah, hopefully you enjoy the time lapse of us working on it. So yeah. Alright, we just got done testing it. It's way dang better. I mean, it's way better. You can judge it a little bit better. It's easier to judge. And obviously it's bigger. I mean, the bigger the better. I mean, go big or go home. So, it's good. Glad we done it. We actually lipped up the face a little bit, so that gives some more pop. And we all hit it. Bryce hit it for his first time with the height of it. And see what he has to say about it. That's what he has to say about it, son.
Yeah, it's definitely pretty bigger. It's a lot better. Being bigger the better, like you said.
Yes, bigger the better. So I guess we'll just keep shredding, and yeah, so here we go. That was a little session of us riding the new jump. Bigger how we made. And hopefully you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe. You need some subscribers. Make sure you subscribe. And you know, like everything you can like. Just like it up, subscribe it up. And the next video we'll probably post on here is probably us riding. So the only problem is, like, I can post mountain bikes like every single day, but I can't post riding but like once a week. So I guess if I get bored, I'll post a video of mountain bikes, and then on the weekends I'll post a video of us riding. So stay tuned for that, and see you next time.